20 minutes ago, I was feeling really sad, thinking about all the problems that I have. Then I picked my favorite record, turned on the stereo, and I said, everything is gonna be alright tonight. Favorite band, their greatest songs. Me, I just wanna sing along. Standing in the crowd, bass is way too loud. I had so much fun, I forgot the lyrics. Another traffic jam, another boring song. Me, I just wanted to go home. Gotta call my boy, gotta rock our tune. We're having a blast and we know our lyrics. Minutes ago, I was feeling really sad, thinking about all the problems that I have. Then I picked my favorite record, turned on the stereo, and I said, everything is gonna be alright tonight. At least I got my stereo. Music takes me places you don't know. As long as I ride with the sun by my side, everything's gonna be alright, girl. Cause I got music on my mind, and it's setting me free tonight. Whoa. Ago, I was feeling really sad.